Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to access pre-sale tickets on Ticketmaster. Now accessing the pre-sale ticket on Ticketmaster UK can give you the opportunity to purchase tickets before they go on sale. Here's how you can gain access to pre-sale tickets. First thing, you need to make sure to sign up or create an account on Ticketmaster. For that, open up your web browser. On the web address bar, you need to type in ticketmaster.co.uk. And when you press on it, click the profile icon from create your account. Once you have created your account on Ticketmaster, then you need to subscribe to the Ticketmaster newsletter and alert to receive notification about the upcoming pre-sale for your favorite artist, event or venue. And likewise, many artists and bands offer a fan club membership that includes pre-sale access. You can visit the official website of the artist or the band and considering joining their fan club as well. And likewise, you could also follow the Ticketmaster UK and organizer on the social media platform like Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. They often post pre-sale information and pre-sale code as well. And similarly, some credit card companies offer exclusive pre-sale to their cash holders. For example, American Express and O2 Priorities often have for card holder. You can check within the credit card provider for these offer as well. And once you've done that, you can also sign up for a venue or a promoter's newsletter. And that can also help you with pre-sale of your tickets. Now sometimes pre-sale codes are often required to access pre-sale tickets. Now these codes can be obtained through newsletter, fan club, social media posts and credit card companies. You can keep an eye on the email and social medias for these codes as well. Then you can visit the email page early. And that's basically how you can access the pre-sale ticket on Ticketmaster UK. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.